Finally got the car after waiting in line for like an hour, and a lot of people were saying they were getting catfish on their car. Thankfully I got the right car, so I'm gonna go drive to Gainesville right now. It's gonna take like 2 hours, so yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. In Gainesville. I'm gonna give you guys like a quick little tour. I'm closing this chapter of my life. I'm no longer a student, which is so crazy to think about, but honestly I'm happy. This is where I've been living for the past 3 years basically, and it's gonna be bittersweet like closing this chapter, but like I'm excited because like I have a whole brand new life now, and this is just the past now. Like I don't even like, this doesn't even feel like home anymore. But I'm gonna give you guys a quick little apartment tour. Okay, so here's like the living room area, and then you walk into the kitchen. This is a 3x3 by the way, so there's 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Here's a laundry room. This is one of the bedrooms. It's my roommate's bedroom. This is another bedroom that was supposed to be for my other roommate, but they never assigned us a third roommate, so I ended up just living with one other person. Here's the bathroom. They have like a bigger closet, but let me show you guys my room now. It's basically the same layout as this room. And by the way, I'm basically pretty much moved everything out. I'm just gonna have to throw those curtains away. And then this bed, it was a fully furnished apartment, so this bed is not mine, so I'm gonna give it to them. The only thing I have to do is take off the bedding stuff. And then here's the space over here, the dresser, and then here is the closet. Yeah, and let me show you guys the bathroom. So yeah, I have to throw some of these things away. And yeah, here is what the vanity looks like. So yeah, similar layout. I'm gonna be spending most of my weekend just like cleaning out this apartment, and I haven't been here in over like 2 months, so like it's so weird being in here. Like it literally doesn't even feel like my home anymore, but it's because it's not. I want to document this close to my life because I feel like I'm gonna look back at this and be like, wow, like I graduated college, I moved to a new city. Also, a note to my future self, even though you don't know where you're gonna be in the future, everything always works out how it's supposed to. So this is just a mental note to like future Linda, like if there's something that is stressing you out, don't spend too much time and energy like being anxious and worrying about it, because that's not going to change the outcome. Like everything is going to go how God wants it to go. I'm just saying that because like I was just thinking back to like my last semester in college. I was just like so anxious about like my future. Now life is good, and like I'm just like, why was I stressing so much? Bacon smoked sandwich, coffee. I rarely drink coffee, but this is an iced white mocha with sweet cream foam and caramel drizzle. Yeah, so I'm on my way to go to campus right now. I can't believe this is gonna be my last time on campus like forever. I already graduated, but like I'm here, so like it's kind of like my last moments of college for real. So like I don't think I'm gonna get emotional because like I don't know, my life is so much better now. Like no academic stress hits different, to be honest. But I'll take you guys along, show you guys what I end up doing. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I have not forgot about you guys. Make sure you guys have your post notifications turned on. And I also have a trip coming up, so make sure you're subscribed because you don't want to miss that content. The next trip I'm going to be taking is like, it's up there, but like you guys have to subscribe because like you don't want to miss.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right?
I remember thinking to myself, I'm like, I can't imagine what it would be like to be a senior. Like that would be so stressful. It's crazy because like my last year, like I was like, dang, like I'm really a senior. Like this is it. Like time goes by so fast when you're in college. I think it's been in renovation since I graduated, which was literally like 2 months ago, but this area is supposed to be finished. Hopefully it's done in time for the new students in August, because this was like one of the spots, one of the iconic spots on campus. Bookstore. This is where like they sell all the merch, but it's low-key, it's high-key overpriced. Hi. Fun fact, if you didn't know, my school made Gatorade. Not a lot of people know that. The iconic 20 bus, the bus that I used to take home from classes every day. Because if you didn't know, there's no parking on campus for students during class hours, so the bus is the best way to get to and from classes, especially if you live off campus. The parking lifts at like 5 p.m. and I rode this bus throughout like my whole 4 years of college. So yeah, I can't believe I'll never be riding this bus again. That's one of the libraries I always went to. Here is the infamous Gator that everybody takes pictures in front of, especially when they're first coming. O'Connell Center, this is where my graduation was. Oh my gosh, just bringing back memories. Wow. Like, UF has a beautiful campus. Like, my school is so big. Like, there's literally acres of land on this university. So pretty. People do workouts here sometimes with the stairs. Like some stair workouts, but it's way too hot out here for that. That's crazy. That man just did the UM chant in the UF football stadium. Like, sir, do you know where you are right now? Like, #1 college in Florida. Keep it cute. Let's keep it cute. National champions. Don't forget, I know you know, this is Gator country. So crazy being here because I can count how many times on my hands that I've been here. Like, it's actually kind of crazy. I wish I would have spent more time here, low-key, because it's like, it's a vibe. Like, there's just something about it that's just like, dang, I should have came back here. Like, I should have came here more, did my workouts. But it is super, super hot. Like, Florida heat is like, it's that wet, it's that muggy, it's that like sticky heat. Definitely feeling it right now. Like, it's hot. It is hot. Coming from a Florida native, like, it is actually hot outside, but I'm kind of enjoying it. Like, I really am. Maybe this won't be my last time here. Maybe I'll come back, try to come to some football games, even though I'm not a football person, but like, just for the culture, just for the alumni status, just for the vibes. Alright guys, so I'm about to start cleaning. I'm not gonna go too crazy on cleaning because when I first moved in, it wasn't that clean. So this should take me like an hour, 2 hours at max, but I'm, like I said, I'm not trying to go crazy. I'm gonna put some music on so I can, like, you know, clean. But yeah, cue the montage. Anyways, I'm on my way to go get a sweet treat because I deserve it. Like, I cleaned my whole apartment. Not the whole apartment, but like, I cleaned what I needed to clean. I haven't been to Publix in a long time. So I'm gonna go to the bakery and get myself a little sweet treat because I deserve it. Yeah. Would I be able to like buy those cookies, like one of each? Thank you. Literally, I always do this and they give it to me for free. So this is my sweet treat for today. Secured the bag. I got my cookies. Had to make sure they were safe and buckled in. Little life hack, ask for cookies at the bakery. They're usually for kids, but yeah, I always get it for free.
In the air to the flashlight, yeah. Hands up in the air that they got me down. I keep it on it, they crunching the numbers, I'm bugging out. Funhouse active, yeah. King of the palace, rubber like Malcolm. Balled up fist in the air to the flashlight.
I cleaned everything and now I'm about to head to the airport. Me and my roommate literally did not decorate anything, so got rid of the bedding, the curtains, and everything is back. I can't believe I'll never be back here. I'm honestly happy. My new apartment is way better. No more student housing, no more student living. On to real things. I also forgot to show you guys, it also comes with a patio, with y'all what it looks like. It's not opening. I think we had a storage unit too. I'm about to go turn in the keys right now and officially never be back here. Closing out this chapter of my life.